Hello, friends! Watch how I cook my great-grandmother's Christmas bacon potato recipe. I found this recipe in her old notes. She had made a note that the dish turned out great, so I decided to give it a try. I already peeled and washed the potatoes. Now I'm boiling them. Adding hot water helps speed up the process. Do you use this trick? It's a great way to save time, especially when you're in a hurry. Don't forget to salt the water. Now we can let the potatoes cook while we move to the next step. Let's move on to the bacon. How do you like your bacon pieces, big or small? I like to keep them on the smaller side so they cook faster. Let's fry the bacon on medium heat until it turns golden. Let it fry and we'll work on the other ingredients in the meantime. Now let's chop the onion. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying this recipe, drop a comment below, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more delicious dishes. Thanks for cooking with me. Let's add the onions to the bacon. Such a great flavor combination. Time to check on the potatoes. The potatoes are ready, so let's mash them up. Do you add butter or cream to your mashed potatoes? We'll add a bit of butter for that nice creamy taste. Let's salt the mashed potatoes to taste. We are adding an egg for binding. Flour helps thicken the potatoes. Be sure to mix well to avoid any lumps. Good mixing is important for a nice texture. Now we are putting the mashed potatoes into a baking dish. Let's make a little well in the center for the filling. Time to take the bacon off the heat. Doesn't it smell amazing? We'll add the bacon and onions as the first layer of our dish. Pickles will add a tangy touch. Let's slice them nice and thin for our second layer. Each layer adds something new to the taste and texture. Now let's get to the mushrooms. Season the mushrooms with a little salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to add some spices for extra flavor. This will give the mushrooms a richer taste. Mushrooms are our third layer. Look how beautiful they look in the dish. Now we'll saute some onions and carrots. This will add sweetness and color. Now let's grate our carrots. Onto the pan it goes. Saute them on medium heat until they're soft enough. Add the onions and carrots at the fourth layer. Such a wonderful combination! The dish is getting richer with every new layer. We are finishing off with cheese. Grated cheese will melt into a golden crust on top. Now into the oven until it's golden. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. We'll need some garlic. Do you like garlic-based sauces? Now let's add some mayo. Fresh dill will make the sauce so fragrant. We'll chop it finely so it mixes well. Now add some sour cream. Also, I like to add some lemon juice. It balances the flavor so well. Add some salt. Mix everything together and the sauce is ready. By the way, I recently got a countertop mini oven for my apartment. The link is in the description, highly recommended to everyone. Our dish is ready. How does it smell? Let's add a few final touches, a sprinkle of dill and a bit of parsley for a pop of color. You should definitely try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comments what you think about the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for cooking with me today. See ya!